Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Toyota RAV4 headlight bulb using an easy method. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine off. You'll need a new H11 bulb and a Phillips head screwdriver. Opening the hood will give you access to the back of the headlight assembly. This simple process can save you time and money at the mechanic. Once you have access, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. There's usually a small tab you press to release it. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from its housing. Carefully pull the bulb straight out, making sure not to touch the glass part.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for diving into a good book while you wait for your car to warm up. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now take your new H11 bulb. Remember to only handle it by its plastic base to avoid contaminating the glass. Carefully insert the new bulb into the headlight housing, ensuring the tabs align with the slots. Once it's seated, twist the bulb clockwise until you feel it lock securely into position. This ensures a proper fit and prevents moisture entry. With the new bulb securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector. You should hear a click, indicating it's properly seated. Close your RAV4 hood and start the engine. Turn on your headlights and test both the low and high beams to ensure everything is working correctly. This quick check confirms your installation was successful.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.